Hello, this is the lesson number 6 for our Streamlit dashboard building project for prediction of stock prices. Today we are going to have a quick lesson. We will build all the subfolders, going over what is in there and why is in there, and we will announce our first script to build in the next lesson. This is our project so far, and today we are going to add subfolders to the root level. So those won't be on a root level, but there will be subfolders for the root level. So our first one is app folder. What it does, it will contain two files, Streamlit app py, and let's in parallel just build an empty files. Streamlit app py. What will do Streamlit app? It will be our main interactive dashboard. We will view predictions by date and stock. We will compare model predictions, visualize prediction accuracy with charts. So basically this will be our file which is responsible for visualization and some cool comparison. The next file and the last file for this folder will be daily dashboard file. What it will do, it will do the analysis of daily results, will show today's evaluation results, it will display predictions for the next trading day, performance metrics and trends, and historical evaluation analysis. This will go to the folder app. Our next folder is data folder. It will consist of two subfolders. One is historical, and in historical we will get all the CSV files, one CSV file per stock. So this one will contain only CSV files with the latest available historical data. So Apple will have the CSV file named aapl.csv. It will contain historical price data. Each CSV file which will include date, open, high, low, close, prices, and the volume. It will be updated daily with the new closing prices after each trading day, and this will be used for model trainings. And our other folder here will be the folder daily results. Now this folder is different. It will contain the basically for all trading days it will contain one file per day, predictions, evaluation, and daily prices. And also it will have one common file, all evaluation CSV. All of these CSV files will be generated and with the result our Python codes running. So we will not now create any files for this folder or its subfolders. So it will have predictions file, which will be predictions for a specific date, like stock name, prediction price for the date. It will have evaluation file, evaluating results, comparing prediction to actuals, and it will be another file, daily prices, actual closing prices for the date. In previous folder we have one CSV for one stock, and in this one will be one CSV per day. And it will contain all evaluations like aggregated historical evaluation data based on the evaluations CSV file from the same folder. Our next folder here is models. It will contain subfolders, one subfolder per model. So let's create those as well. Binary regression, Next will be random forest. After this will come arima, then folder will be RNN model, and last but not least LSTM. Again, as I mentioned previous in the first two videos, you can check my blog at Medium. There are specific articles per each model type with the code, but that was for 5 stocks only. And it was basically the Excel format, so predictions which were generated were analyzed manually in Excel file. So linear regression models will contain files for each stock, one file per stock. The extension will be .joblib. Same will be for random forest model, because those models are quite close to each other, and ARIMA model. Now for two other models, RNN and LSTM, as they are a bit of different family models, they will be .h5 and JSON file per each stock symbol. And of course the name of the stock will be at the beginning to identify that this model file is for particular stock and particular model. And our last high-level folder which we'll be having is scripts folder. Here will be our daily running different scripts. We can start creating those one by one, but I'd rather prefer to create a file and have it coded immediately, because these files are important and these ones are the ones that will run the show. Let's call it this way. So what we are going to do next. Next we will start with one of the files in scripts folder, which will be fetch data file. Okay, let's create this one, but the code for it we will have on the next session. Fetch data py. Why this file? Because all models and dashboards are depending on clean, up-to-date historical prices, and this fetch data file is the one that is going to fetch those. The goal for the file will be download historical and daily prices for every stock. We'll list it in stocks.txt, normalize column names and date formats, handle API retries, rate limits, fallbacks. As we mentioned in previous lesson, we will go over this with FMP, financial modeling prep, as primary, and Tingo secondary. Well, that's of course of your choice. You can do vice versa, or if you are using another data source, you're very welcome to do so. But yeah, this is what our code will do for fetch data py. So our next lesson, we will start coding with the fetch data py. Create folders and subfolders, and you can create empty Python files in here, and we will start fulfilling those files with the code which will work and will help us to achieve our goal for this course. Thank you, and see you at the next lesson. Bye bye.